Hey friends, the steps I'm going to show you come directly from the technicians who work at this well-known appliance repair shop, so don't worry, we're going to guide you through fixing it. Now, when this code appears on the microwave display, it basically means the appliance has detected a problem in the electronic system that controls it. Simply put, the microwave senses that something isn't working right in the part that manages power, especially the relay or the control board. That board is like the brain of the microwave. It decides when to heat, when to turn the plate, and when to stop. When the system detects something unusual, the microwave locks itself and shows the error to prevent further damage. In fact, something we hear very often when these microwaves come into the shop is customers saying things like, "I try to use it and all I get is F1E 4 on the display." Others tell us the appliance worked fine until one day it just stopped heating and started showing this code. Some even mention that before the error appeared, the microwave started behaving oddly, like hesitating to start or making unexpected beeps. Also, when you check what other technicians say in specialized forums, many agree on something important. This code is usually related to the power relay. This is a small component on the control board that acts like a switch, opening or closing the flow of electricity. When the relay gets stuck or starts failing, the system detects that the power isn't flowing properly and, for safety, blocks the microwave from working. On the other hand, we've also seen in the shop that in some cases the problem isn't just the relay, it's the entire control board. That board has several components working together, and if any of them fail, the system can trigger this code. Some technicians even note that these types of failures can happen after voltage spikes, or when the microwave is several years old. Meanwhile, sometimes the problem turns out to be simpler than it seems. We've opened microwaves and found loose connectors or cables that aren't making proper contact. While this isn't the most common issue, when it happens, the board receives incorrect signals and displays the error, even if the rest of the microwave is fine. Now, when this code appears, the first thing we usually recommend to customers is something quite simple: a full microwave reset. Basically, unplug it for about a minute so the electronic system can reboot. Sometimes the error is caused by a temporary glitch, and this reset clears it. However, if the code comes back after turning the microwave on again, the diagnosis usually points to something more internal. In many cases, what we do in the shop is check the control board and see if the relay is functioning properly. If we find that the relay is damaged, the solution is usually to replace the relay or, in some cases, the entire control board.